Hello. Woo. Yeah.
Good day to you. This is Cayden Cabisada, Victoria Aquino, and Jenlyn Caasi. We are going to demonstrate how to measure a high pole using an improvised instrument, Clinometer. We measured 10 feet away from the post. Individually, we used a clinometer to find the angle. Yet it happened that the three of us got the same degree of angle, which is 56. We are now on step 1, on how to find the approximate measurement of the electric post. Let us now gather the given in the problem. Distance from the base, 10 feet. Degree of angle, 56. Height of a person, Cayden, 168 cm. Victoria, 153 cm. Jenlyn, 157 centimeters. To find the height of the post, we are going to use the formula TOA, also known as tangent x equal to opposite over adjacent. Now, we're going to substitute the given. Tan 56 is equal to x over 304.8. To compute this problem, we need to do cross multiplication, so we're going to add 1 under tan 56. We'll get a product of x equal to 304.8 tan 56. Using your scientific calculator, calculate x equal to 304.8 tan 56. We'll get 451.88. Now add your height to get the final height of the post. We get 619.88 centimeters or 20 feet and 3 inches. Now, let's apply the previous computation. First, use the formula TOA. Next, cross multiplication. Third, use the scientific calculator. Lastly, add the height. The height of the post based on Victoria is 604.88 centimeters or 19 feet 10 inches. Let's do it again. First, use the formula TOA. Next, cross multiplication. Third, use the scientific calculator. Lastly, add the height. The height of the post based on Jenlyn is 608.88 centimeters or 19 feet 12 inches. Now that we've calculated the three, let's compare them. Cayden got 619.88 cm. Victoria got 604.88 cm. Jenlyn got 608.88 cm. The results have a small difference, so it's a success. That's it for this video. Thank you.